Claude just helped this guy recover $400K worth of Bitcoins that he was locked out of for about 11 years. He had no path of getting it. That is about 3.3 crores in today's money. Now I'll tell you what happened. So this guy in 2015 purchased Bitcoins and changed the password and totally forgot about it. From that day onwards, he has been trying to recover the password. He has tried all sorts of recovery softwares. He has tried hackers. He has tried paid recovery services and never ever got his Bitcoins back. So as a last resort, what he did was he dumped all of his college days laptop backup files, documents, everything into Claude and just asked Claude to go and figure out what happened. Claude did not hack a password. Claude actually went through all of his files like a detective, identified what the problem was. He found a file in his laptop that was predated before he could change the password, and he identified a bug. In that bug, this bug constantly blocked recovery softwares from actually unlocking the real password. So taking all this analyzed data and this fixing of this bug, Claude actually pushed out a phrase which potentially was the password. So this guy then tried it yesterday and it worked. It worked. He now has $400K worth of Bitcoins, which he has probably secured. I wish I had bought Bitcoins back in 2015, but I didn't have the money. Neither did I know what Bitcoins were. Anyways, happy for the guy. But it's so interesting to see Claude helping people and users in so many different ways. Not just Claude, but I guess a lot of AIs have a lot more potential than we think we know. Follow for more non-BS takes on AI and updates. Bye.